Hey, mathematicians. Mathematicians are people who can do math really well. And you are mathematicians because you have learned so much this year all about math. So I have some shapes here because yesterday and the day before, Monday and Tuesday, you were talking and reviewing about 2D shapes. This is too easy for you, so we're going to review this very quickly, and then I'm going to show you some new shapes that I think you're really going to like. Let's do this really quickly. What shape is this? Everybody say this shape. Say it really loud. Say it really soft. Say it in the baby voice. Did you say triangle? Kiss your brain. This is a triangle. Let's count how many sides a triangle has. A side is, remember, the flat line, a flat edge. So let's count how many sides. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. How many vertices does a triangle have? Remember, the vertices are the points or the corners. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides and 3 vertices. This is a triangle. Good job. All right. This is too easy. Name this shape. A circle. Does a circle have any vertices? No. No vertices, no points. Now, how many sides does a circle have? 1 continuous side. You just keep going and going. So we really can say, well, a circle just has one side that just keeps going round and around. All right, and what about this shape? What shape is this? Say it out loud. Say it in monster voice. This is a square. A what? A square. Now, what is special about a square? Jonathan, tell me what's special about a square. About its sides. Yes, I think Jonathan said a square has equal sides. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal sides. 4 equal sides. Emily, do you agree with Jonathan that a square has 4 equal sides? Yes, 4 equal sides. What does equal mean? That all the sides are the same. That's what's special about a square. All the sides are exactly the same. Let's count how many vertices, how many corners are on a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. You're right, 4 vertices. And then this one is a rectangle. And what's special about a rectangle? You can go this way or you can go this way. It has 2 what? Long sides on it. And then 2 short sides. Exactly right. Now, boys and girls, let me tell you something about these shapes. These shapes are called two-dimensional. 2D shapes. And you know why they're 2D? Because they are flat. They're flat. Look at this. They're just completely flat. These are two-dimensional shapes because they are flat. A triangle is flat. A circle is flat. A square is flat. A rectangle is flat. But today, I'm going to show you not 2D shapes, 3D shapes, 3-dimensional. And I bet you could probably guess why these shapes, let me move my 2D shapes back here. Why are these called 3D shapes? What is maybe special about these 3D shapes? Are these shapes flat? Are these flat? What about this one? Let's see if I can make it flat. Nope. These shapes are not flat. 3-dimensional shapes, 3D shapes are solid. Solid means they're fat. We cannot smush them. 2D shapes are flat. 3D shapes are fat. They are solid. And this week, you're going to be learning the names of all of these three-dimensional shapes. Three-dimensional shapes are solid. They are fat, not flat. So every day you're going to be learning about a different three-dimensional shape. You're going to learn about a sphere, and a sphere is in the shape of a ball. You're going to be learning about a cube, kind of in the shape of a box. You're going to be learning about a cylinder. A cylinder kind of looks like a tissue paper roll or a can. I see some circles on my cylinder, but this is definitely not a circle because it is not flat. It's fat, not flat. It's solid. You're going to be learning about a cone. This kind of looks like a little party hat. Do you have a little party hat? A cone. It's got a circle on the bottom. You're going to be learning about a pyramid. I actually don't have a pyramid up here. I'll have to go get one. But we learned about pyramids when we were in Africa, remember? And instead of a circle on the bottom, it has a square on the bottom. And you're going to be learning about a rectangular prism. And it's made up of rectangles, but this is not a rectangle. This is a rectangle, and a rectangle is flat. This is definitely not flat, is it? This is a rectangular prism. So three-dimensional shapes, 3D shapes, are solid. They are not flat. And today you're going to go on a hunt around your house or outside maybe and see if you can find some 3D shapes. Okay? All right, have a good time, mathematicians. Whoops, I forgot to tell you one thing. I wanted to show you that 3D shapes, I'll use the cube. 3D shapes still have vertices. 3D shapes still have corners, but they have a lot more corners since they're not flat. There's lots of different sides to them. 3D shapes also have things called faces. And faces are not like our face, but faces on a 3D shape are the flat surfaces. So you see how this has a flat surface on it? Lots of flat surfaces. This is the shape's face or faces. These are the shape's faces. The flat surfaces on a three-dimensional shape are its faces. Look at the cone. See the vertex, the corner, it has one point, and then look, it has one flat surface. So it has one face on the bottom of it. Our cylinder, see the flat surfaces on the cylinder? These are the shape's faces, the flat surfaces, the vertices, and then the 3D shapes also have edges, and the edges are kind of like the sides, just like on our 2D shapes. See these straight lines on them? This is the sides, the edges of the 3D shape. So 3D shapes have faces, they have vertices, points, and then they still have edges, like the sides, okay? All right, now you're ready.